Once again, we're back at Crossroads. Let's see if we can find some good stuff here. So far, we've had some good trips. Let's go ahead and see what's inside now. What kind of Jordans are these? I've definitely seen them before. Flight 45. This colorway is dope. It's like a Bel Air colorway, actually. I feel like these might have some. No. We'll look them up to see. Let me know if you guys have sold us with these before. But these are like the Bel Air edition of this shoe. It's not that bad, actually. But not for me. Got some new Champion shoes here with the tags on them for $22. Oh, look at what we have here. Some beat up Jordan 10s. I don't know if you can really even clean them. What's the price on them though? No price on the Jordan 10s. That's unfortunate. It's probably like $30, something like that. I don't see no price at all. And these are a size 8. Let me see. What do y'all think about those? Is that even worth trying to look up? I mean, that's 2 Jordans we're gonna check out real quick if they're still here. Got some Freeze. Almost like an Oklahoma colorway, but it's not. Got some of these Tony Parkers in the building. The Peaks, the Tony Parker Peaks for $37. These checks kind of stand out with the flames on them. $32 also. That's not a bad price for those. Some Nikes, 32. Got some more Nike Free, 47. More Nikes here. Check the back wall. We got some more free runs with a deflective longitude. Okay. Some more Adidas. Some Reacts here. Okay. These chucks look pretty eye-catching. I'm not mad at these at all. $32 on those. Got some Adidas here. Over here. Look at sizes. We got a Zoom Freak. Got some peeling maybe with the $24, size 12 on these. $24 for the Zoom Freak. One. It's a pretty nice colorway, and it's pretty good condition. I mean, it's been worn definitely. You know what I'm saying? $24 for the Zoom Freak 2, size 12. Float on over here, 270 Reacts. $47. Also looking pretty good. These are not bad. This is a pretty good find right here. $47 on them. You can't really go wrong with that. Colorway is clean, perfectly for the summer, spring. You clean them up a bit, you can definitely make some money on that. You got some Vans here, some white Vans. These are clean too, $28 on these. That's pretty dope. Psycho Bunny, never really heard of that brand before. This colorway is pretty dope, it stands out. I definitely feel like I've seen this in the outlets before, but this is thrift shopping. $47 for those. You got another colorway right here, the blue colorway, which is also dope. $47 also. What do we have underneath though? Look at these Hardens. They want $65 for them now. All-Star Weekend? All-Star Weekend Hardens. $65, size 7, bro. These are dope quality on them and everything. Whoa. 65, 6.5. These are clean. I don't know if I've seen these before. That's a really nice find. Probably the highlight of the store, of both stores, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if you guys have picked these up and flipped them before. Let me know your thoughts on these in the comment section below. And you got some free runs. What about these? $47 for the Lunar Epics gray, size 14 on these. That look pretty dope. That Volt colorway stands out. Then you got some more Volts. I guess it's like the Longitude again. Got like 3-4 colorways of Longitude. Somebody must have cleaned out their Longitude collection. Super Sega Sport. Okay. What are these? 47. Wow, they really did drop their whole collection of Lunars. This one's another one in size 14 for $47. Look at the Vapor Maxes though. Yeah, they smart. The Vapor Max size 13 for these. $75. Real deal Holyfield. $75. That's not a bad price for these at all. Normally $180 or something like that. Maybe $200 even. Okay, Epic Reacts. $47. They got some good stuff here. Like I said, every time. You're not gonna see something every time you come, but the more you spread them out, the more you will. Now, I never seen these type of blazers before with this quality on them. These are pretty clean, $42. You guys have seen those before, let me know. Got some Boost right next to it, some Pumas. These chucks are pretty clean too, very, very light though. Only 24 bucks for these. New Balances, these are clean. This colorway is clean on these. 24 bucks, size 11, bro. See, as you start the memberships here, you guys want to buy stuff that you guys see that I come across in real time, you guys will have to become a member of this channel or the Discord that we do. These Vapor Maxes is dope for a size 13. Pretty good selection here with the shoes today, y'all. But this right here is probably my favorite find so far. Let me go look at the women's side over there against the wall and see what's going on. So as I'm looking up these Bel Airs, there was one that sold for some pretty good money, but everything else is just a little bit over this. I'm kind of over this myself. But let me know what you guys think. Would you guys pick those up and flip them? I think they do look pretty dope. All right, next up we've got some of these on deck too, 37 bucks. Okay, but then I didn't see these. I walked right past these, I guess. Maybe I didn't even look in this direction. These Bordeaux, what these are called, right? Bordeaux 12s. Nobody knows how much they are though. $42 size 13, bro. $42 size 13. Let me go look these up because this might be something I have to scoop up because of what it is. Those 10s are good too, but these are even better. So let me look them up and see. So these three are the talk of the town right here. These three right here, the Jordan 12s, the Jordan 10s, and these Bel Airs. After just doing some more research, I mean, these do look cool, but I got enough. If I'm gonna take a chance on something, I'm gonna take a chance on these, not these 10s, but these 12s. We're gonna go ahead and scoop them, man. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Ladies, I got some all-white Cortezes for $19, size 7. You know what I'm saying? Selection here is not too bad for the girls. I don't know what these are, but they look like something the girls would really like. Got some of these feelers here too. Some of these Jordans here for the ladies, $55. I feel like these don't have any resale, but watch they do. Should we look them up just to see, just in case? You just never know. Let me go ahead and check that out. About a $55 margin on these. These are pretty clean and the quality is very, very nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Size 7, 55 bucks. Just not for me today. Like I said, if I'm taking a chance on something, it's these 12, bro. I see the condition of them. They're cool. The inside is okay. I mean, once I clean that up, how much better can it get? It looks like it's a real pair. I'm not mad at what I'm seeing right now. But what do you guys think about them? The only thing that makes me question is this inside part of the shoe, right? But I had the wheat 13s, similar situation, and I still sold them for what I wanted for them, 100 plus. You know what I'm saying? So a cleanup job, I could still get like 100 for these. How much did they want for them? Probably even more than that, $42. Let's go ahead and see, bro. Might as well take the chance. These are pretty dope. ADIDAS painted. Those are pretty dope for the ladies. Let me know what you think about those. And we got some Asics here for the ladies too. This colorway is pretty nice. I'm not mad at this. Perfect for the spring and summertime. $24 on these. That's not a bad price. What do you guys think about the colorway? Outsoles is not too bad either. Pick this shoe up that we just dropped and pick up our 13s once again. These chucks are pretty dope. Half off of those footwear. So. These Nikes look pretty eye-catching. I feel like there's some 3M on them. Is that true? It is. The whole shoe is 3M. Cop Pass. Future Run 2 Mid. I've never seen this before. Reminds me of a Kobe. $24 on these. These are not bad looking. I swear they're not. Let me know if you guys like them or not. Fire or trash. Smash the like button if you guys like what you're seeing. Some more of these in a different colorway for the ladies. Pretty dope shoe. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? Slide on down here. Look like some Rihanna's, but I don't think they are. I know Rihanna had some Pumas like these before. Are they the Fenties? Oh, they are the Rihanna Fenties. $45. Puma Fenty, size 7, $47. Pretty dope. Feel like I know somebody who would want these. It's not bad right there. Cop pass, fire or trash. Sorry, but I like this colorway. This purple or whatever is just catching my eye. Ladies and gentlemen watching this alike, let me know what you guys think. This is like a dead stock pair. These EPTs are pretty fire. Pretty fire. They want $42 for them. I don't blame them though. Let me know what you guys think about these. $42, size 9. Can't really go wrong with that, man. And these Pumas next to it are pretty fire too, man. I gotta get out of here. There's too many things I'm liking, just in general, looking pretty good and appealing. These Uggs are pretty awesome for the ladies, $28. Definitely used, of course. We got some Pumas right next to it that are pretty eye-catching as well. Oh, these are some more Puma Rihanna Fenties, okay. Size 8 on these. These are not bad, $24. Okay, so let's go ahead and pay for these. I think it's the only thing we're gonna take. Excuse me. They did have some cool things that we did look up and see, but nothing that is gonna be worth for me. These are pretty dope too. Michael Kors shoes. ADIDAS here. More ADIDAS. You got some Under Armour. You got some USA Chucks. If you guys have ever flipped any of this stuff, let me know. These Chucks standing out to me. Converse black with the stitched in C right there. Kind of shiny material on these. I think these are hard, size 7. But I'm a fan of those Chucks. I think they're pretty far though. Man's 8, okay. These are clean. $150. $150 for these. These are clean. Okay, let me see. Thank you very much. Thank you. So this is what we're gonna go home with. We're gonna go ahead and clean these things up and see what's up. But they had those Yeezys for $150. Is that a good price point or what? Pretty good finds here, bro. Some of these ADIDAS opening ceremonies also for the ladies, size 7 for $47.50. I never really seen these before, but I have heard about the collab, the baseball collab. These are pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Not mad at this, bro. Not mad at this store. As you guys can see, Crossroads is a really good store. They got a lot of good things in here that you guys can look for. And I'm happy with what I came across. Boom. And we're gonna just look across this real quick before we get out of here. Ugg shoes for the ladies. You got some Jordan Futures right there too, which nothing in the olive colorway. Some yeah, these Futures we saw, but I mean they're really nothing. 6.5 for $37.50. Not bad on these, man. Let's get out of here.